Did you know that the Ferrari 812 GTS is one of the few vehicles in the world that can reach 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds? Yes, you heard it right. This speed demon, the Ferrari 812 GTS, is an epitome of power and precision, standing tall in the world of high-performance cars. It's a testament to the unyielding pursuit of speed and elegance, a perfect blend of beauty and beast. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful V12 engine, a heart that pumps adrenaline into every spin of the wheel. But it doesn't stop there. As if defying the laws of physics, this automotive marvel can achieve a top speed of over 340 kilometers per hour, a feat that leaves even the most seasoned car enthusiasts in awe. So, intrigued yet? Now that you're hooked, let's dive into the history of this remarkable car. The Ferrari 812 GTS didn't just appear out of thin air. It has a rich history dating back to the late 1940s. Ferrari's story begins with its founder, Enzo Ferrari, a man with a passion for speed and an eye for style. His vision was simple but ambitious, to build cars that were unparalleled in their performance and luxury. In the late 40s, Ferrari was still a budding company, focused on racing. But Enzo had a dream beyond the racetrack. He envisioned a road car that could offer the same exhilarating experience. This dream gradually took shape over the years, with each car, each model, each innovation bringing Ferrari closer to the realization of this vision. The journey to the 812 GTS began with the Ferrari 125S, the first car to bear the Ferrari name. This car set the foundation, showcasing the brand's commitment to power and speed. Over the years, Ferrari continued to push the boundaries of what a sports car could be, with models like the 250 GTO and the F40, each a testament to Ferrari's dedication to performance and style. The 812 GTS is the culmination of this journey. Unveiled in 2019, the 812 GTS is a tribute to the Ferrari legacy. It's a car that embodies the essence of Ferrari, combining the brand's racing pedigree with its commitment to luxury. It's powered by a V12 engine, a nod to the company's early days, but it's wrapped in a sleek, modern design that's unmistakably Ferrari. The 812 GTS is not just another sports car, it's a statement. A statement that Ferrari, a company that started with a simple dream, has not only realized that dream, but has surpassed it. The 812 GTS is a symbol of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of excellence, a testament to the company's passion for speed and luxury. From its humble beginnings, Ferrari has always aimed for the stars. The 812 GTS is no exception. The Ferrari 812 GTS didn't stay the same over the years. It evolved just like the brand itself. So let's dive into the evolution of this magnificent machine. The 812 GTS, born out of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection, underwent significant design changes over the years. Its inception saw a lean, mean machine that was a sight for sore eyes. But as the years rolled by, it gradually transformed into the sleek, aerodynamically efficient beauty we know today. The car's design evolution is a testament to Ferrari's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. The changes were not merely cosmetic though. Under the hood, the 812 GTS saw substantial performance upgrades. The first model boasted a robust V12 engine, but with each iteration, Ferrari managed to squeeze out more power. The engine's capacity increased, and so did its horsepower, resulting in a car that could reach higher speeds and offer more thrilling rides. The latest model, for instance, houses an impressive 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers a staggering 800 horsepower. Talk about a power-packed ride! But the evolution of the 812 GTS wasn't just about design and performance. It was also about embracing the latest technology. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of incorporating cutting-edge technology into their cars, and the 812 GTS is no exception. From advanced traction control systems to state-of-the-art infotainment systems, the car is a technological marvel. And let's not forget the innovative aerodynamic features that help the car slice through the air like a hot knife through butter. Yet, despite all these changes, the 812 GTS has remained true to Ferrari's core values. It still embodies the brand's commitment to craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity. The car's evolutionary journey is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering dedication to these principles. the 812 GTS's evolution also reflects Ferrari's ability to adapt to the changing times. As the automotive industry shifted towards more environmentally friendly technologies, Ferrari responded by improving the car's fuel efficiency and reducing its emissions. It's a perfect example of how a brand can stay true to its roots while still embracing change. So, the 812 GTS of today might look and feel different from the original model, but at its core, it's still the same car that made heads turn and hearts race all those years ago. It's still the car that embodies the spirit of Ferrari, a spirit of relentless pursuit of perfection, of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, of never settling for anything less than the best. The Ferrari 812 GTS has come a long way, but it hasn't lost its original charm. It remains a testament to Ferrari's unwavering commitment to excellence, a symbol of the brand's rich heritage, and a beacon of what's possible when passion meets innovation. Now, let's take a look at the Ferrari 812 GTS as it stands today. There's no question that the Ferrari 812 GTS has made its mark in the world of sports cars. Its current model is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and performance. It's a seamless blend of power, speed, and luxury, a combination that has earned it a well-deserved reputation among car enthusiasts worldwide. Under the hood, the 812 GTS boasts a mighty V12 engine, delivering an impressive 800 horsepower. It's a beast ready to roar, capable of launching from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. This makes it one of the fastest convertibles on the planet, a testament to Ferrari's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive performance. But the 812 GTS isn't just about power and speed. It's a car that marries performance with luxury. The interior is a haven of Italian craftsmanship with leather-clad seats and a state-of-the-art dashboard that offers an immersive driving experience. It's a car that doesn't compromise on comfort, ensuring that every ride is as pleasurable as it is thrilling. The 812 GTS's sleek and aerodynamic design is a marvel to behold. Its sharp, aggressive lines are a nod to Ferrari's racing heritage, while its retractable hardtop offers the freedom of open-air driving. It's a car that commands attention, a car that makes a statement. This model continues to be a favorite among car enthusiasts, not just for its performance, but also for what it represents: the pinnacle of sports car engineering. It's a car that has earned its place in the pantheon of legendary sports cars, a car that continues to push the boundaries of what's possible on 4 wheels. In the world of sports cars, the Ferrari 812 GTS stands as a beacon of performance and luxury. Its blend of speed, power, and comfort has set a new standard for what a sports car can be. The Ferrari 812 GTS continues to wow car enthusiasts around the world with its unmatched performance and luxury. It's been quite a journey for the Ferrari 812 GTS, hasn't it? We started off with a fascinating fact about this beast's speed, a feature that never fails to astound. Then, we took a step back in time to witness the birth of this magnificent machine. From its inception, the 812 GTS was destined for greatness, embodying the spirit of Ferrari in its every detail. Our journey then led us through the evolution of the 812 GTS, a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence. The changes, adaptations, and improvements over the years have shaped the 812 GTS into the powerhouse it is today. And now, in the present day, the Ferrari 812 GTS stands as a beacon of performance, luxury, and evolution. It's a car that doesn't just blend into the crowd but commands attention and admiration. The Ferrari 812 GTS is a testament to Ferrari's commitment to performance, luxury, and evolution. It's a car that truly stands out in a crowd.